A heart-rending choice tore two brothers apart, brothers who had been close since childhood. The elder, lured by the gleam of wealth, chose money over the company of his own flesh and blood. Can you imagine the depth of that rift? In a poignant letter, the younger brother expressed his sorrow and disappointment at this decision. His words dripped with sarcasm as he suggested an extraordinary act of sacrifice for the elder to mend their brotherly bond, to capture and gift 2 majestic elephants and 3 ferocious lionesses. Yes, you heard it right, 2 elephants and 3 lionesses. An extravagant demand as unusual as it was, symbolizing the seemingly unbridgeable chasm between the 2 siblings. The elder brother, upon reading the letter, was taken aback. He felt a pang of guilt, a prick of regret. His brother's words echoed in his mind, stirring a whirlpool of emotions. The extravagant demand, while sounding ludicrous, was a stark reminder of the emotional distance he had created. Picture this: the elder brother, a man of wealth, standing in his opulent mansion, holding the letter from his younger brother, a letter filled with sorrow, disappointment, and a seemingly impossible demand. The request, although extravagant, was more than a demand for 2 elephants and 3 lionesses. It was a cry for reconciliation, a plea for a return to the days of their shared laughter and dreams. The elder brother was faced with a choice. He could dismiss the letter, continue his life of luxury, and ignore the emotional turmoil stirred by his brother's words. Alternatively, he could accept the challenge, not for the extravagant demand it was, but for what it represented: a chance to mend a broken bond, a chance to reconcile. The story of these 2 brothers is not just a tale of a rift caused by the allure of wealth or an extravagant demand. It's a narrative about the emotional journey of 2 individuals tied by blood, separated by choices, and potentially reunited by an extraordinary act of sacrifice. As the pages of their lives continue to turn, will the brothers remain estranged? Or will this unlikely challenge serve as a bridge to a much-desired reconciliation? Will the elder brother choose the path of sacrifice and reconciliation? Or will he continue on his path of wealth and solitude? This is the emotional journey of 2 brothers, a journey filled with choices, sacrifices, and the hope for reconciliation. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most extravagant demands can be the most powerful catalysts for change. It's a testament to the enduring bond of brotherhood, a bond that can weather the stormiest of conflicts and the most extravagant of demands, a bond that, hopefully, can be mended.